Hello! Welcome to Anime Mystics. I'm Roman, and tonight I have an open boxing. It has been a while since I've done one of these. It has actually... I don't know how long it's been. A few months, actually. This is from a company that I have not ordered from before. I'm trying to pull up their website here. Where are you? There it is. So I can get the name. I ordered some doujinshi from these guys. I've never ordered this kind of thing before. It's not hentai. If it was, I wouldn't be doing this video. But they're called Comic Tora no Ana. I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. In order to order from these guys, you have to go through a like a forwarding company, because they don't ship to the US themselves. You have to ship it to this forwarding company, and then you pay them the amount for the items, and I'm assuming shipping as well. I mean, everything I ordered has been with free shipping because I order enough so that I don't have to pay the shipping fee. But when it gets to the shipping company, you do have to pay shipping with them. So it does save me on shipping a little bit. Anyway, came today. As you can see, cover that up because that's my address. I didn't know they had that on the back here. Now, I order everything with DHL because of this quarantine and everything going on with the coronavirus, or COVID-19, whichever you prefer to call it. Japan Post is not shipping anything over to the US. Or they're very limited with the amount of stuff they ship. It really depends on if, I guess, a plane is heading over to the US, then they'll put stuff on the plane. But from what I've read, most places are basically not sending anything out. I got a couple of Toriba packages that I've been waiting for a couple of months. They actually made the labels, sent them to Japan Post, and then like a week later, Japan Post was like, oh, we're not sending anything out to the US until further notice, and now they're just stuck. I also have a couple of iCatch Online boxes, which this quarantine has been horrible for my crane game addiction. I have 12 items from Toriba, which isn't bad. But I got 105 from iCatch. So, yeah. Then not counting the figures and everything I've been buying. I ordered one thing from Good Smile, but they use Japan Post, so my figure is stuck there for now. But these guys, as you can see, they went with DHL. So it only took a week for me to get this stuff. I'm trying to get it out of here now. Oh, I see. The glue seems to be stuck to the box here. Okay, well, let me just use this knife and cut this thing really quick. I do have 2 more boxes from this place coming. A couple of them were, I guess, on pre-order, and they didn't ship out till a couple days after I had paid for this, so they were coming later. And then the other is completely different from what I ordered in these last 2 boxes, which is all Fate Doujin. So let's check these out. Hoping I don't cut them, and myself. There we go. Come on. There we go. Alright, so in here it's just a plain brown box. Okay, so how do you have this? Okay. I could use that to ship off something that I sell. As you can see, ordered quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. 11 books. I think one of these came with an item too, like a file folder or something. I usually don't get those, but I mean, if it comes with it, then I'm not going to turn it down. Okay. Now you gotta bear with me. I don't really know the artists that well. Let me see if I could pull these up here actually, and I'll tell you who they are. Let me move this mic, like, headphone out of the way. Whoops. Okay, let's see. Sketch. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Okay, let's see here. Oh, don't need that in there. Okay. Yeah, okay, so the name is still in Japanese, so I don't know. If you all know the artists, then, you know, great, let me know who they are, because, again, I can't read Japanese, so I don't know who they are. But this one is called Fate Sketch 8. It says Fate Grand Order fan art, as you can see. It is, tells me how many pages, 24 pages. And I guess 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is going to be some of the characters in there. I see Jolter, I see Skasaha, let me see here, got Kama, I don't know who this bear is, I don't know who this little girl is. I know she's a Sakura face, but I don't know her name. We also got Melt, Saber Alter, Oreshka Gall, Okita, Raiko. Looks like just a regular Sakura, Heroine X, and I think this is another Sakura from the movie. But there's 24 pages in here. I will open this up in a bit. Once we go through them all, I'll open them up and we'll go through some of the pages so we can take a look at them. Let's do this really quick. Alright, I just got an email from Good Smile about an order. I'm going to have to take a look at that and see if I have stuff coming, or if some stuff got delayed. Anyway, these next ones, let me see if I can find the artist here. Okay. HO2, I think is their name. Yeah, their name's HO2. Or H02, one of them. This is the Blossom. It's mostly BB, it looks like. So we got Blossom 2. Close this. Nothing really on the back here. And we got Blossom 3. I think the guy really likes BB. Got a little image here of a chibi BB. Now these are Another 24. No, wait. I'm still on the other guy. Where are you? I just looked at you. In here. Here we go. These are about 20 pages. Let's see. Oh, they didn't put these in order. Oh well. Okay, well, anyway. I figured they would have put them all together. Because I forgot exactly what it is I ordered. Okay, so I have a couple more of those Fate sketch. This was 8. I also have 7 and 6. Which this one has Jan on it, and this one has Okita. Nothing on the back of the one with Jan. But the Okita one has a few characters on here that I'm assuming are going to be inside. I see, it looks like Musashi. I don't know who this is, although I know I've seen a few images of her. Same with the one next to her, that one. I don't know her. She's not in the US version yet, so yeah. We got a Chibi Jan altar. I think this guy is coming out soon in the center. Another Skasaha, looks like Summer. Okita, Tomoe, another Okita. Looks like Saber Maid Altar, Summer BB, Ushiwaka, and a Chibi Saber Altar. Okay, now. Yeah, okay. Next we got these. Do I have an artist name for this? Pretty sure they're gonna be in here somewhere. No? Come on, you gotta be here somewhere. Ah, here we go. I guess that's their name. Sakiyama. So this is Sakiyamama Grand Order. I got 3 and 5. 3, as you can see, has Mordred and Lancer Arturia and Lancer Arturia Altar on the cover. Nothing on the back. Then we got number 5, which has look like Lancer Arturia. This one's actually kind of holographic, like a hologram for a Pokemon card. That's what it looks like, but it's hard to make out on the camera. Nothing on the back as you saw for that, except for the name again. Okay, this one is all in Japanese, so I can't read the name. See if I can find it here. Doesn't look like it. Let me see if my orders are in here. Nope, doesn't tell me. Well, okay, I can't read the name. But it's got Musashi on the front. It says Scotty Illustrations on it in the back. If you can read that, it's kind of hard to see with the white background. But, yeah, got that one. We got the Manifestation Illustrations. This one has Okita on it. This one looks like it's pretty thick. Quite a few pages into this one. Oh. We got this one, which says FGO 3 Illustrations. This is a redrop. I know he's pretty famous. I actually think he's done a few CEs for the game, actually. Nothing on the back. In fact, the ones I'm waiting on that were pre-order were a redrop book. It was number 5 or 6. I know that one will be here. There it is. Doesn't have a number on it. Just says FGO Illustrations redrop. I'll probably end up getting all of his. So I guess this didn't come with something. I thought it came with something. Anyway, the last one is a Raita book. 3. I have to get 2 and 1. They have them both on the website. So I will eventually buy them. But for now, I just got number 3. So yeah, that's the ones I've got. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 11 books. It's quite a bit. But, I mean, they're not that expensive. This one was 675 yen. This one was a little more, probably because it's newer, at 715. Also 715. All of the Fate sketch books were 715 yen. The Sakiyamama ones were the most expensive ones at 1,429 yen. It's about $15. Less than that, actually. Maybe 14 bucks. This one was 715. The Manifestation one was 700. Redrop was 800, and Raita was 680. So not that expensive for these. Shipping was actually pretty expensive though. I think it was like 50 bucks. But I mean, it's going DHL and overseas, so yeah. So let's open some of these and take a look and see what the art looks like, other than, you know, the cover. I mean, the ones for the actual artists are going to look the same, but let's see what kind of images we have in here. Yeah. Okay, so this is Blossom number 2. Ooh, that's right. This way. No, well, it's not all BB. We got a Melt in here as well. But it looks like the majority of it is BB. And a comma. Little risque for comma, but you know, whatever. Okay, we got the cover image in here as well. Then we got like a little sketch here showing the process of him creating one of these. The one next to it is, yeah, BB as well. I'm assuming the same with this one. Mostly, I guess, Sakura faces. I'm not going to just say BB, just Sakura faces in general. So we shall put this back. Blossom 2 and Blossom 3. Let's look at one of these sketchbooks. Yeah. This is Fate sketch number 6. First thing we see when we open is Okita, the one that was on the cover, and Ushiwaka. The art is pretty awesome. Another Okita. Let's see here. says this is all fan art. Wonder who the artist is. Alright, something a little different style here is BB. But we also got Skasaha there. This one's pretty cool. Musashi and Tomoe. Let's see, I don't know who this is. I don't know who that is. I know Maid Alter, but the other one, I don't know. This looks like... This looks like it's sword art. Isn't that Asuna? How'd she end up in an FGO book? See, it is Asuna, right? I can't see. Anyway, I don't know who this is. I'm pretty sure that's from sword art as well. I don't know. Whatever though, I don't care. The majority of it is fake, so I don't mind. And as I said, the other two are the 7 and 8. So, yeah. These are pretty thick as well. The Sakiyamama. Let's take a look at number 3. I will most likely open all of them, but for right now I'm just going to do a few. So yeah, Sakiyamama, Grand Order. Oh, okay. It's Mordred. Okay, this was one of the reasons I bought this one, because they do show you some of the images in the book when you're on the page for it. It has Maeve. It's, again, one of the reasons I bought it. I'm a Maeve fan, okay? Let's see here. So we got Medusa. Different style. Not really a style, but you know, not as flashy as the other image. This is Okita Alter. I know she's coming next month in the FGO US version. See, we got Medusa here and Lancer Artoria. Alter. Let's see. Musashi and Chan Alter. Pretty cool. Pretty sure the 5th one has Matahari in it and Ishtar, which was part of the reason I bought it. I think that's going to be the only other one that I open that's of the same, you know, type, because I want to take a look at that. Maybe without the plastic on this, you'll be able to see the holographic. Let's see. It's still kind of hard to see. Well, okay, a little bit, but not. It's not as prevalent as it is in front of me. So. Okay, so they've got the cover image here. Then they've got her as Alter. Let's see here. Alright, yeah. Matahari. This is... This Needlecris? She doesn't have the ears, but she does have the purple hair. I could be wrong, but the hair makes me think that's Needlecris, which makes this a bonus, because I really like Needlecris. Okay, Musashi. I remember seeing this one on Facebook. Let's see here. Okay, so we got Aresh and Ishtar. I'm an Ishtar guy, so I prefer Ishtar. What else do we got here? Maid altar. And they got his process on the making of the images. Rough sketches. Yeah, that is definitely Needlecris down there. Nice. I did not know Needlecris was in this, so that's... I'm really glad I bought this one. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. Even though I don't know what it's called. Scotty Illustrations. This one actually looks like it's done like a American book. Instead of opening it this way, you open it this way. So let's see. Got Musashi Saber and Berserker here. Jan Altar and Saber Altar. Artoria Altar. We got Moriarty and Jesus. Alexander. So it's a mix, not just girls in this one. Oh, this is a cool one. Just kind of sucks that the spine of the book kind of interferes, but it looks like it's Scotty and Maeve. Okay, we got a Hokusai. Ooh, I remember this being one of the images I wanted in this. That was Carmilla. Then we got Melt here. Let's see here. Bunny Artoria, and I don't know the name of this girl, but I know I've seen her around. I'm sure when she's in the US version, I'll know their names. Oh, we got Abby. And, oh god, what's her name? Ilya, from Prisma Ilya. And then a BB. Cool. Let's see, anything else in here? What's the last image? Okay, so we got a Scotty and a Musashi. And that's it. Really good art in this one. Actually, all of them have really good art. And I guess they mixed it up with having two of the guys in there, but that was it. Yeah. Okay, so let's see this one. The Manifestation Illustrations. So we've only got 2 more books after this. We got the Raita and the Redrop. Yeah. This one's pretty thick. So let's see. It says chapter 1 in here. Oh, okay, this was one of the images I wanted. Ishtar. This was for the Aresh fans out there. Or as I like to call her, Blonde Ishtar. Alright, we got Enkidu. Little clay in there. Then we got Space Ishtar. And Emiya. Or Archer, whichever you want to call him. You got a Kama. Let's see, this is... Looks like it's a mix of different artists. Because this one says Illustrator RCA. It's Bunyan. I don't know who did the illustration for this one, but it's gray. Let's see here. What else do we got? See if there's anybody in here that we haven't seen yet. Okay, Raiko. Hokusai again. Oh, this one's a pretty cool Abby. I know we just saw Abby in the last one, but... Bradamonte, is that her name? What else do we got here? Scotty again. Skasaha. Moriarty, and I don't know who this is. She looks familiar, but I can't quite... Is that Helena? See a spellbook and UFOs. It's gotta be Helena. So Moriarty, Helena. Another melt. Full page. Almost a full page. Oh. We got the best pirate in here. Blackbeard. Then we have little chibi artwork for them. I see Okita and Oda Nobunaga. See Arturia and Arthur. Arturia and Saber and Alter. Jan Alter. Is that Altria? Art? No. I can't remember how to pronounce her name. But then we got Nero. Chapter 2, which is not very big. And just goes through, I guess, their process for a few of the artworks. Yeah, like this one shows the breakdown of how they started it out and how they got it where it is. Which is pretty cool, and if I could read Japanese, it'd be even better. But, you know, whatever. I don't care. Just the fact that they were able, that they went through the trouble of explaining the process, it's pretty cool. Okay. Got 2 more here. We got Redrop. Yeah, there we go. Corner is a little bent, probably from the shipping. Okay, so Redrop. Again, I'm pretty positive he did a few CEs. Yeah, we got Da Vinci here. Now this is beach oriented. I like how Alexander here is dressed like Luffy. He's got the straw hat, the red shirt, the shorts. You got Mashu there. You got the Knights of the Round Table, Arturia. Let's see, who else can I see in here? It's hard to see there. Gil, Osmandius, or with Alexander. You got... Looks like Vlad is there in the burger stand cooking. You got Avisbron, or however you pronounce his name over here, with his golems. There are a ton of characters over here. Siskasaha, Hokusai, Abby, Wu Zetian, it looks like Maeve, Carmilla, Cleopatra, Caesar. Oh, I see, oh god, what was his name? I can't remember his name, but he's over here with Anastasia, her master. I see Tamamo, I see... God, I don't remember his name either, but it's the Minotaur. Chiron, we got Nero over here throwing a concert. Thankfully it's not Elizabeth. Although I'm sure she's gonna be up next. Who else can I see here? That looks like Sherlock and Parvati. I think that's Parvati there. Oh, there's Elizabeth running with an inner tube. Over here we got... That is definitely Needle Chris and Scheherazade. If you remember, they were a pair in the Summer 2 race. Okay, I almost dropped it. There's a lot of characters in that image. Let me see, we got Nero and Best Girl Astolfo. Let's see here. Mordred and Jan Alter. Looks like they were all singing in this book. Oh yeah, it's like a musical type of stuff. We got Mashu, Osmandius, Gil, Vlad. Ku Alter. That looks like... Oh god, what's his name? Hijikata. And Merlin. Let me see, we got Mashu, Nero, Tamamo, and Gudako right there. Okay, another couple of reasons why I bought this. One, this is Rin, not Ishtar. You can tell by the eye color here. Although, I think one of the other books, maybe the other one I ordered, has Ishtar. And then you got Semiramis there, with Sakura and John. I believe this is... Were these CEs? I know this was a CE, because I have it with Alexander here. The kid Alexander. So let me see, this one has Lancelot, Tristan, Gawain, and... Oh, Agravan, that's his name. Then the other side has Mordred, Mashu, it looks like Bedivere, and Arturia Alter. Not Alter, Arturia Lancer, not Alter. Agravan here is doing the what was that, Spice Bay thing? Got a bunch of Nero here and another Rin. It's a little too risque for the image, or for YouTube. That one might be as well. So we'll try to just go with this side right here and show Nero and Francis Drake. Bunyan and Mordred there with Ibaraki on the pancakes. And then we got Mashu here wishing everybody a happy birthday. And then Agravan's helmet. Not Agravan. God. What is his name? Evisbron. That's it. So that's a good book. Pretty fun. And now we're left with Raita. Okay. So again, Raita, book 3. So again, I don't know this girl's name, but she's in the cover image with Moriarty. So let's see, this one's got Tomomo, Nero, Shuten, Ibaraki, Benienma, BB. Summer BB. Shuten, Raiko, Heroin Double X, and Bradamonte. I still don't know her name. The other side has Musashi, Kintoki, and Moriarty. Come on, there we go. Oh, 3D, huh? 3D versions of Shuten and Raiko. And then we got Summer Raiko here, who was on the front cover, but in, I think, her first form before she ascends. And that's it. They ended with the 2 same characters. So yeah, those are really cool. And the only reason I found this site was because I follow Redrop on Twitter, and he or she, I don't know what they are. Anyway, they posted a link to the site because their book, the 5th one, whatever, the one that I just ordered, was up for sale. And they left a couple links to where you can get it, and I went on there, ordered a couple. One for me, one for Sano. And started looking around, found a whole bunch of other stuff. I ordered a couple more that were not FGO. I will show those when I get them. If I could find other stuff on here for other shows that I like, I'd buy them too. I didn't see a whole lot for Bang Dream, unfortunately. And I've really started to like Princess Connect. I didn't see anything really for that either. Not much anyway. So maybe once it becomes more popular because of the anime, I'm definitely going to order more of these Redrop books. It's got a lot of them. I see FGO Illustrations 2015 to 17, FGO 2, 3 I have here, 4, 6, this weird one here, but it's a comic, so I probably shouldn't get that because I won't be able to read it. And number 4, so I need 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. I don't see 5. I know this isn't 5 right here because it's the new one. Either way, yeah, so that's everything I bought. The other redrop book should be getting here in a couple days, because that, again, shipped out a couple days after this. And the other ones I haven't paid for yet. So it's probably not going to get here till next month. But once they do, I'll do another open boxing for those. I was going to wait until I got all of them and do them all at once, but I figured, nah, I'll just do this one. I haven't gotten any figures recently, otherwise I'd have done open boxing for those. Once I get the one from Good Smile, I'll do an open boxing for that, because that's my birthday present. And then I have a few things from Ami Ami that I got to pay for, but I got like till next month and July to pay for them. One's a scale figure, and the others are Nendoroids, and then the other one is a box of those little plushy heads from FGO. And then I should have my Ishiroku Reviewers Blu-ray with the Aloe figure coming soon. It hasn't I haven't gotten a notification saying that it's come in yet, but I'll be able to pay for that once it comes in. Got a lot of stuff coming. Again, even the Eye Catch and Toriba stuff, I'll do unboxings for those as well, whenever they show up. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of these. If you know anything about the artists, let me know. If there are other artists that I should look for and buy more doujins from, kind of support them, let me know, because I do want to buy more, not just of FGO, but of other series as well. I'm on an FGO kick right now, though, so... But if there's any other doujins for other series that you think I should check out, let me know as well. And yeah. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get updates on our releases. Check out our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for anything else we decide to post. And check out our Discord where you can chat with me or anyone else. It's also a good place to go to see if there are any updates to the channel. So until next time.